Hi everyone, my name is Suman and today I'm here with another video on how to build a continuous simulation with multiple crops, and today I will also show you how to edit some of the manager script. So without doing any delay, I would like to start. Okay, let's open APSIM simulation. So here today I have a new APSIM, probably it is the latest APSIM Next Gen version. So in APSIM Next Gen, or in APSIM, when you download the software, when you install the software, it will have many inbuilt APSIM simulations, and these APSIM simulations will be available in Open and Example. And today I would like to start from using one of the inbuilt simulation. Let's open a wheat simulation. So in wheat simulation, let's open all the nodes. So the first thing you need to check is clock. So here, this wheat simulation is a 100-year simulation. So here in clock, you can see that start date of the simulation and end date of the simulation, that is 2000. So it's 100-year simulation. If we run it, it will run wheat crop for 100 years. Check this graph. Okay, so this is 100-year simulation and 100 years wheat yield. So, but our aim today is we will build a simulation with multiple crops. So here, which is run for multiple years, but we will run multiple crops for multiple years. So let's start from clock. So here it says a clock is started from 1900, but we will make it like 2015. We will run it only for 3 years to make it easy and to make it easy for this video. And let's make it 2017. That's for 3 years, 15, 16, and 17. And the second thing is weather file. So this weather file is from 1900 to 2000. So we need something latest weather data. So I will get it from my file, which is already downloaded. And look at this weather data. It runs from 1985 to 2024, so it will work for us today. So weather is done, clock is done, and the next thing is soil. In physical node, there is wheat soil, and we said that we will run this simulation for 3 years with multiple crops in it. So I will just to show you, I will copy this one and I will paste it here. So we will rename this as a barley soil, because we will use barley crop in our simulation. And for the third one, we will make it like canola. Let's make it canola. That's 3 soil for three crops, and this is done for soil. Now here we have only one model, that's wheat. So we need 2 other crop models. They are barley and canola. So one way to extract crop model is open example, open barley simulation. That's inbuilt barley simulation, and from here you can just copy it and paste it in field here. That's barley. And another way to do is right click on field, add model, go to PMF, and there should be canola, and double click on canola. It will appear here like this. Now we have all 3 crops here. And another thing is now, so that's how we build a simulation. But now I will show you how to edit some of the manager script. So here Sowing is there. So in Sowing, all the details are here, but there is only one crop is accommodated in it. So I will show you how to accommodate multiple crops in here if we are running continuous simulation with multiple crops in it. Go to script. So this is the script for only one crop. So scripts are slightly divided into a few sections. So here, so these are like a kind of like a packages that C#. So this is a C# language, and these are kind of like a packages C# language used. So here we will just link some of the models, and here this is a crop features description. So before I move on to editing these, I would like to show you some of the things. In management toolbox, there are multiple folders there. And if you click each folders, there are all management scripts. For example, for plant, sow on a fixed date. Look at this, how easy it is. So it is easy. So we will just copy this one. So that's the one way you will put it here and paste it here. So we will remove this one and we will rename it as sowing rule. Oh, sorry, that's a spelling mistake. That's sowing rule. And now here we can choose any crop, but whatever crop you choose, you will choose only one crop. So our next aim is to accommodate multiple crops in it. So that's where the division for crops. And now what we will do is we will put the separator here. Separator, uh, that's bracket, let's put here swing information. Let's say swing information, and then close the separator, and then put again separator, separator, uh, bracket, and this will be for 2015 crops. So if you want to see how this script would work, let's click pattern. Look at this showing information and 2015, because in 2015 we'll have one crop. So for second crop, when you have this, let's say for to easily or to visualize it properly, you can say here like first crop. And when we have a multiple crops, then only crop does not make a sense. So we have to put it like a crop name 1. And for sow date, put it sow date 1, cultivar name 1, sowing date 1, spacing 1, because this will be for the first crop. And for now, we'll just delete this. And the second thing is copy all this and paste it here. That will be our second crop, and the separator should say that's for 16, and all these should be 2. This should be 2, 2. And for our second crop is also done. Now we will do it for our third crop. Just paste it there, and that's for 17. That's for third crop, and we will say that's our third crop. And after that we have to, so here this bit of script is like a swing condition. Swing condition. So here it will say if this date sow date is given, then sow crop 1. If not, sow crop 2. If not, so to make it easy, I will just copy some of the script here, and let's say that's for our first crop. So look at here. So here it says, okay, so I want to change the date format here. So this is saying the date format is changed. And here we are saying Sow1. Sow1 is a sow date 1. If that's sow date 1, so so first crop population is 1, cultivar name 1, sowing date 1, and row spacing 1. Similarly, we will do that for other crop as well. And that's for all the crops. So now we have got everything for all the crop. There is something is missing there, so we need to fix it. That's going okay, that is okay, and that's okay. So if it is not okay, we will just copy it again. Now it should be okay. Oh no, the problem was something, there is no linking. We need some other packages, so just put it there. And now Sowing is working. Now it has got all this information like this, and now we will fill all the information. Let's say okay, so there is something missing with the sowing date. Let's change sowing date format to that's year, month, and day format. Year, month, and day format. Year, month, and day format. Now it should work. So on this date, let's say we want to sow this crop, this variety. Sowing date will be 50, row spacing will be 300, and then this space is this. Our second crop will be, let's say, canola. Canola is 605. Let's say ATR bonito variety. That's our variety. Sowing depth is like 50, row spacing is like 300, and this one is like 30. Our third crop will be barley. Barley will be sowing date of 2017 0612, and cultivar will be like MAR in Mars. Um, that's so depth will be, let's put it here, 50. Row spacing will be like 250, and plant population is like 150, and then save it. And then another information here, we have got fertilize at sowing. So this one is applying fertilizer for only one crop, so we need to change our script. We can again go to management toolbox, go to, oh sorry, that's management, go to fertilize and fix it. Okay, this is what we want. A script, control A, control C, go to wheat, and then change the script. So now we have this one. So we want to say like 25 May. We want to apply on 15th of May. Fertilizer date, let's put it 5 ml, and I want the same thing for all 3 years. So that's fertilizer at sowing is done now. Another thing is harvest. So here you can see the script that it is only harvesting wheat crop, so we need to modify this one as well. So what you need to do is copy this one, copy paste one, and this is how we will make it easily. And that's one is for first crop, this one is for second crop, and this one is for third crop. So, and another thing is we name these as crop name 1, crop name 2, and crop name 3. So here crop name 1, crop name 1, crop name 1. So here we are trying to harvest first crop, second crop harvest, and our third crop is harvested there. So we will change this name to 2, 2, make it 3, 3, 3. That's harvesting all crops. So we can put it here like that. That's save. And another important thing here I need to say is report. Let's pull it down. So here in report is a general, but we have 3 different crops, so single report does not work for all 3 crops. So what we have to do is we have to rename it, make it very specific to its crop, report wheat, and copy it, rename it, report canola, and the third one is report barley. And inside wheat we don't need all that information. So there are a couple of ways we can write the script here. So here the first thing is report variables and report events. What are the variables you want to report? So I want to report biomass. Let's say for wheat crop dot above ground dot, and that should be wet. This is the one way to do it, just typing it down. And the another way is just click it here. When you click it here, you will have that. And yield. That's done. And here I want to event as a every day I want to see the data. So all you have to do is clock dot, let's say end of the year, sorry, end of the day. So this is done for wheat. Similarly, we will do that for canola. Change the name to canola here, and here above ground weight and yield. So that's for canola. And same with the clock end of day. So that is done for canola. Now we will do that for barley, above ground weight and yield. So change this to barley, and then for clock end of day. Save the simulation. So everything is done for the simulation, but for a graph, Let's run the simulation first. Okay, our simulation is completed. Let's go to series. So it's report wheat up to date and wheat yield. So this is a wheat yield, and we can rename it as a wheat yield. Put it like that. Copy it. Oh, sorry. Copy it. Rename it. Let's say biomass. For biomass, go to here and above ground weight. So if you click graph, that's a biomass, and that's the yield. For biomass, I want to have another color, and yes, that's biomass, and that's the yield. So I have already inbuilt one for all the crops. Let's show you something else. Paste it there, and another one as well. Paste it there. So here you can see that all these three crops are separated because it is showing from 2015 to 2018 because our simulation runs from 15 to 17, but it is showing for 18 as well, until 18 for 3 years. And when you want to do it for single crops, and there is another method that you can put all these plots together like this. This is the good way to do it, and either you're gonna put this way or that way. And another important thing is, if you want to download data for further analysis, all you can do is go to DataStore. So if you want to look at the data, click on this. So this is how you can look at the data. Or if you want to download the data, go to export to Excel. After that, it will print all this data into Excel sheet. So this is how you build a continuous simulation with different crops in it, right? So today I show you 3 different crops in a continuously growing for 3 different year, and how to change some of the management script in C# language. So if you know C# language better, then you can do it in a better way. For now, this is all for today. Thank you so much.